choose this book? Because this week we're going to be learning about parrots at school. I mean birds at school. Let's start reading. Parrots by William Bonden. Parrots are birds. There are more than 300 kinds of parrots in the world. Macaws, parakeets, lorikeets, and lovebirds are some of the different kinds of parrots. See the pages in the see? Okay, let's go. Most parrots have colorful feathers. Parrots can be green, red, blue, yellow, or many other colors. Parrots have strong, curved beaks. They have wings for flying and strong toes to help them grab tree branches and hold food. Parrots are many sizes. Pygmy parrots are the smallest parrots. They are about as big as a sparrow. Macaws are some of the biggest parrots. They can be 40 inches, 20 centimeters long from head to tail. Some cows weigh up to 4 pounds. Most parrots live in forests on the continents of South America, Africa, and Asia. Some parrots live in deserts. One kind of parrot even lives on snowy mountains. Rainforests and jungles have many parrots. Did you know that? Look at the page. Look at the page. Do you see it? Most parrots eat fruit, berries, and seeds or nuts. Some eat bugs or worms. Many parrots eat while standing on one foot. They use their other foot to hold their food. See the page? They're standing on one foot and holding the food. Mother parrots lay 2 to 5 eggs. When the chicks hatch, most do not have any feathers. Soon they grow feathers. The chicks learn how to fly. Small parrots can live for 10 years in the wild. Big parrots can live about 50 years in 50 years. See that baby chick in the page? Parrots live together in groups called flocks. Miss Nancy told us today that some flocks are small and some have hundreds of birds. The birds of a flock look for food together in the morning and evening. They sleep together at night. See that small flock? It's not big, right? See the flock? Parrots spend a lot of time cleaning their feathers. This is called preening. Parrots like to make noises too. They can shriek and squeal and whistle. These two rhyme. Cleaning, preening. Fun facts. A parrot's beak never stops growing. It's made of keratin. The same material as human fingernails. This material, keratin. You know what I mean? Some parrots that live in zoos or were kept as pets live to be 100 years old. That's a big number. African gray parrots are good at copying the sounds of human speech. A parrot's foot has 4 toes, 2 faced forward and 2 faced backwards. Have you ever seen a parrot, friend? Well, I have last year in India. It was a green parrot with a red beak.